Alright, tech fans, listen up. The Samsung Galaxy S25 has landed, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. We're talking top-of-the-line specs, a design that'll make your eyes water, in a good way, and enough cool features to make your head spin. Whether you're a die-hard Android user or thinking about switching sides, we won't tell Apple, the S25 deserves a serious look. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. It's a declaration that you demand the best of the best. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive deep into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S25. Get ready to be amazed. First things first, let's talk display. The display is the heart and soul of any smartphone, and Samsung has truly outdone itself with the S25. This isn't just any screen, it's a visual masterpiece that will redefine your expectations. The S25 boasts a mind-blowing 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. This isn't just a fancy name, it's a promise of unparalleled visual experience. Imagine a screen that not only displays colors but makes them come alive. Yeah, you heard that right, dynamic AMOLED 2X. This technology ensures that every image, every video, and every game looks as vibrant and lifelike as possible. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. What does that mean for you? Get ready for colors so vibrant, they practically jump off the screen. Whether you're watching your favorite movie or scrolling through photos, the colors will be so rich and vivid, you'll feel like you're part of the action. We're talking black so deep they'd make a black hole jealous. The contrast ratio is off the charts, making every detail pop, even in the darkest scenes. It's perfect for binge-watching those late-night shows, and with a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through your Instagram feed will be smoother than a freshly paved road. No more choppy animations or lag, just seamless, fluid motion that makes every swipe feel effortless. Seriously, this screen is so good you might just forget to blink. The clarity and sharpness are so mesmerizing that you'll find yourself lost in the display, completely immersed in whatever you're viewing. Don't worry, we've all been there. Just remember to look away from time to time to avoid those awkward staring contests with strangers. It's a small price to pay for such an incredible viewing experience. So, go ahead, indulge in the brilliance of the Samsung S25 screen, but don't forget to blink. Now let's talk cameras. In today's world, our smartphones are more than just communication devices. They are our go-to gadgets for capturing memories, sharing moments, and even creating art. The camera quality can make or break your experience. Because let's face it, what's a smartphone without an amazing camera? It's like having a car without an engine. The camera is the heart and soul of your smartphone experience, and the S25 understands that perfectly. Thankfully, the S25 doesn't disappoint. It's designed to exceed your expectations, whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to capture life's little moments. With a 50-megapixel main camera, you'll capture every detail from the smallest dewdrop to the grandest landscape. Imagine the clarity and depth in every shot, making your photos look like they were taken with a high-end DSLR. And don't even get me started on the video capabilities. The S25 is a game-changer for content creators and vloggers. Whether you're recording a family event or shooting a short film, this phone has got you covered. We're talking crystal clear 4320p resolution. Your videos will be so sharp and detailed that you'll feel like you're reliving the moment every time you watch them. That's right, 4K is so last year. The S25 takes it up a notch, ensuring that your video content is future-proof and ready for any platform. It's time to step up your video game with the S25. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or serene landscapes, this phone delivers stunning results every time. Oh, and did I mention the 12-megapixel selfie camera? This isn't just any front camera, it's designed to make you look your best, no matter the lighting or setting. Get ready for some seriously epic selfies because this camera will make you look good, even if you just rolled out of bed. The advanced AI features ensure that every selfie is perfectly lit and beautifully composed. And let's not forget about the editing tools. The S25 comes with a suite of powerful editing features that allow you to tweak and perfect your photos and videos right on your phone. From filters to advanced adjustments, you have everything you need to create stunning content. Once you've captured and edited your masterpiece, sharing it with the world is just a tap away. The S25 makes it easy to upload your photos and videos to your favorite social media platforms, so you can share your creativity with friends and followers instantly. So, whether you're an aspiring influencer, a seasoned photographer, or just someone who loves to capture memories, the S25 is the perfect companion for all your photography and videography needs. Get ready to take your best shots yet with the S25. Okay, let's talk about what's under the hood. The S25 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same kind of technology used to power spaceships. Okay, maybe not spaceships, but it's still really powerful. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, you can kiss lag goodbye. Multitasking? No problem. Gaming? Bring it on. This phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And with the latest Android 15 operating system, you'll have access to all the latest features and security updates, so you can rest assured that your data is safe and sound. We've all been there. You're out and about having a great time when suddenly your phone dies. Talk about a mood killer. Well, say goodbye to battery anxiety with the S25. This bad boy packs a 4,000 mAh battery. That's enough juice to power through even the longest day. And with 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, you can power up in a flash. So go ahead, binge watch your favorite shows, play games until your thumbs hurt, and scroll through social media until you drop. The S25's battery can handle it. Let's be real, looks matter. And let me tell you, the S25 is one good-looking phone. With its sleek lines, premium materials, and attention to detail, this phone is sure to turn heads. The larger rear camera modules not only look impressive, but they also house some seriously impressive camera technology. Remember that 50-megapixel main camera? It's the perfect blend of form and function. One of the coolest things about the S25 is its advanced AI capabilities. Powered by One UI 7, this phone is smarter than your average bear, or cat, for that matter. From improved photo editing to smarter notifications, the S25's AI features are designed to make your life easier. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, minus the awkward small talk. For all you mobile gamers out there, the S25 is a dream come true. With its powerful processor, stunning display, and enhanced gaming mode, this phone delivers an immersive and lag-free gaming experience. Whether you're into action-packed shooters, immersive RPGs, or casual puzzle games, the S25 can handle it all. Just be careful not to get too addicted. You still need to eat and sleep, occasionally. So how much will this technological marvel set you back? You might be expecting a hefty price tag, given all the advanced features and cutting-edge technology packed into this device, but prepare to be pleasantly surprised. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is priced at a surprisingly affordable £799 for the 128GB model. Yes, you heard that right. In a world where flagship phones often cost over £1,000, Samsung has managed to deliver top-tier technology at a price that won't break the bank. That's right, you don't need to sell a kidney to own the best phone on the market. Imagine all the things you can do with the money you save. Maybe a nice dinner out or even a weekend getaway. The possibilities are endless when you're not spending all your hard-earned cash on a phone. Pre-orders start on January 24, 2025, with the official release date set for February 7, 2025. This gives you plenty of time to plan and make sure you're one of the first to get your hands on this incredible device. Mark your calendars, folks, because this is one release you don't want to miss. The anticipation is building, and you can be part of the excitement from day one. Imagine the thrill of unboxing your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25, knowing you're among the first to experience its groundbreaking features. So there you have it, folks. The future of smartphones is not just a distant dream, it's here, and it's within reach. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is set to redefine what we expect from our mobile devices. The Samsung Galaxy S25, the phone that has it all. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its advanced AI features and sleek design, this phone is designed to impress. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants a reliable, high-performing device, the Galaxy S25 has something for everyone. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its advanced AI features and sleek design, this phone is in a league of its own. The display is vibrant and crisp, making everything from streaming videos to browsing the web a visual delight. The AI features are not just gimmicks, they genuinely enhance your daily life, making tasks easier and more intuitive. This phone is in a league of its own. It's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. The Galaxy S25 offers a seamless, intuitive user experience that makes it a joy to use. Whether you're taking photos, playing games, or managing your work, this phone handles it all with ease and style. Upgrade today and experience the future of smartphones. You won't regret it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is more than just a phone, it's a gateway to a new era of mobile technology. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of this exciting journey. Upgrade now and see for yourself why the future is now, and it's affordably priced.